Hi, I'm Rena with Pike Nursery, and today we're talking about poinsettias for Christmas. Now let's go over some easy care tips for these plants. The two big things to keep in mind are water and temperature. Water your poinsettias only when the soil becomes dry and water them at the bottom. Too much water can cause the leaves to yellow and drop off. About once a week is probably all that's needed. Do not leave the plants standing in water, and always make sure that the saucer is draining. As for temperature, these are tropical plants. They like a temperature between 60 and 70 degrees. So do not put them outside during the winter. Poinsettias don't like extremes in temperature, so be sure to keep them away from cold drafts or cold window panes. And keep them away from heat sources like the fireplace or vents, which can dry your poinsettia out. Now let's talk about some common misconceptions about these plants. Many folks are nervous about having poinsettias in the house around their pets. They are concerned that there is a high toxicity level and very highly poisonous to their animals. This is not true. They are mildly irritating. The milky sap on the inside of the skin can cause some skin irritation and some stomach upset, but their toxicity has been highly overrated. Thankfully, poinsettias also taste bad, so pets will usually stop eating them after one or two leaves, which won't cause any serious harm to them. Another misconception about poinsettias involves their flowers. Many people believe that these actually are the flowers, but they're not. These leaves are called bracts. The flower is in the middle of this circle of bracts. Displaying your poinsettias at home is so easy. You can do it individually if you like, in a beautiful individual pot. You can take it as a gift in a foil wrapper. For a more wow factor, you can mix it in with other plants, and then at the end of the season, you can take that out. If you keep it in the plastic container, which will be fine, and pop in a beautiful orchid or whatever you like, and then you can enjoy your container long after Christmas. And now you're ready to deck the halls. Our certified plant experts in our stores can help you pick out poinsettias or any other plants you need. Or you can place an online order for local delivery or curbside pickup at pikenursery.com.